in Jalahalli police station limits of North Division of Bangalore, a case of child abuse was reported by a parent yesterday with regard to his minor girl child, about 3.5 years age, who was studying in the nursery class. The brief particulars of this case are that a child goes to school at 9:30 in the morning, 8:30 in the morning, as usual in a cheerful mood, but when she is picked up at 12:30 by the mother, as is the case every single day, the child was crying, and the child continued to cry and complained of assault by one uncle in her private part. Child did not even have food but went off to sleep, and there was a slight fever. After she got up, she finally revealed this part to the parent. Then the parents took her to a private hospital, a reputed private hospital nearby, and the doctors confirmed that there was a slight bruise of a very small dimension. And based on that, they immediately contacted the police. A case was taken up by the local police in Jalahalli police station under POCSO Act, section 4 and 6, and investigation was launched. A deputy commissioner of the area rushed to the spot immediately. The entire team was constituted, a new team was constituted, headed by an assistant commissioner of police, a lady officer of Malleshwaram subdivision, who is now the investigating officer. She is assisted by the crime branch as well as other divisions of the police in the city, including other senior lady police officers who are helping her out in this particular case. The child has been spoken to by our lady officers and counsellors. Late in the night, senior officers, including myself, have visited the spot and have supervised the investigation. The school area has been inspected. The school classroom where the girl sits every day has also been inspected. The CCTV footage has been seized and is being examined. A number of teachers were spoken to, particularly those who teach in that particular class in which the child studies. And a number of non-teaching staff have been questioned or they continue to be questioned. A number of parents as well as local citizens had gathered outside the school last night, whom I had interacted with, and I convinced them and assured them of prompt and fair and as quick as possible investigation into this case, and that the case was being supervised at the highest level. During the course of the day today, many parents gathered outside the school demanding that they need an audience and they need to be spoken to by the school management. We have contacted the school management. The chief of the schools has been asked to come down to Bangalore. This is an interstate school. I think the main group is from a neighboring state. I want to request friends in the press as well as through you, the public, that the interrogation or collection of information from a child of 3.5 years of age is entirely different from what you would do with a victim who is an older person. Therefore, it has a lot of implications for what you expect as the speed of investigation or the pace at which we should draw conclusions. My request is that we must allow the investigating team to investigate fairly, freely, and without any undue pressure of expectation. Therefore, investigation is a matter of quality and not quantity. So I would request, earnestly I would request, urge that we are single-mindedly pursuing the investigation and we will bring it to a fruition. But we would like forbearance and tolerance on the part of everybody, including the parents, the press, as well as the public.